Commando by a dessert. Lawyer Mudata Dika had that. One of the one for the gospel according to Canada Cobra Japan. Other as far as Sukro for Fiana and the Fiavedo. Hey, na safari tissue, tie me ye pa. One says, Onipa wo fear. Na, and so be to me good baby. Tissue, I only found a credit to me cry on some way, baby. Safari tissue, na say, and so be good table. So now the paper out him say, it's soaking so only come, what me the two bin moi, ye come, ye toilet tissue. What you say, wako bathroom, what is your way, ye come, moton. Your napkins or kitchen, your kitchen towels are hold your box tissue are. I know your branch now or car now we need tissue or come on yet. Tissue be also in koye. Now calling in our bomb nessa will be cracked now came no who safari box tissue or came no or you be pan and sunny at the ultimate say Massa your swag level elsewhere. Obia you sue safari box tissue. Your pocket tissue also be to me a Toby Mao back it to her or co school no the DVR and your handkerchief the triano because our handkerchief in 50 bar over Saturday day after forward him to bo and sangu and nimni pimples in your you are not keeping yourself clean and neater. You need a pocket tissue from safari. Earlier on branded packs akasia ye di wo hon ma mo restaurant a hold omni si obi di wi ano atibi no ne ade nyina no yesre wa supermarket be wo bia no ko enekoji safari tissue upiemoli na tafukuma sia obenya bi Esther Kosa wa sokwa Esther number no 020 354 1002 020354 1002 na bibia ekoso 0243 541005 0243 541005 na fe JN Life
yedimi kro no the funny one
JN Life CME Abraba wo bono e wo se otimi siesie hu for that chinti ye wo brebi wo abrabo ma ye friend dahia da sada no dru na se wo siesie hu a wo kwa ho yehiem papa bi ye bia wa ye adwuma won siesie na chi wanyansi achi baby ti akọwie se what this sister called person the last month so ye 10 years and to one way ya da bia obetua fees for the next 15 years ahoden so de adwuma ni ho nanso se wutimi tiesie ho na woni JN Life smart child policy edi egita ho a 30 Ghana cedis a month for premium no wa obehu se wakura wachiye abofra no school fees dachi ene ono ane kankro no enya afi na ebeduru ono ma wonam mesra omenya be 1000 ati akola ne ka ye me pension pay a me dia mana pension no kra say eno ti smart child policy a JN Life the abano fa ho jim afi your passage plan policy passage plan ye dey nyesa afi ni obusuani ato o maame papa ato na afi na anam kopa bosia na nsi hu twobo da bi wo ye passage plan policy with JN Life your boy ho ban ma da achi say wani etoto a yetimi ayi ne aboa ma ne ma eche wani so ne ye afri ho your lifeguard policy one ka bia nsem afi business a wo ye de na bibia be bom na sika na e basa wo se me ti say na shaase a ese Kristo ni no the sofu busane say na adwuma na ekosan a also sofu aye pa won ka ne capital nche sofu da na enso so sika ne sia sofu na bi kuta 2 billion ese ye di waka the waka sika no the business say bia na sofu be hu say ne tight sa e massa say we to oni JN lifeguard policy din kita ho a bibia de JN Life yetua premium yetua claims money eya kono eno ti fra 0503 740990 0503 740990 branch here there say o che na prempepi a hawa boni chichi the sunglasses sutim say minim so o free Abia so ye na ebo say he fa no free bo say unya sunglasses papa with me e dey abo life ya buy exclusive say open sandals papa she executive slippers I am talking about Angelo Galazzo, Roberto Cavalli, Valentino. Just say any sandals a wedding. I was saying now Nasi did the attempt there. They can't buy an exclusive amount. A best suit parties or suit. White shirt and knit jeans. Chinos, papa. Material trousers, quality. Shirt out him say, wow, the peer baby, you know. You become the eye of the place, so be a shower. Master self so dress pa now to me say, go focus what dress ya. And no I'm a boss shirt to be now man for a buse with I'm say can ban exclusive. I mean, when you buy a good shirt and you wear good sandals, now shirt now dress ya. Obi can't just say what for home. And you are dressed by your dressing. Mama can't quite Minimu dem makuhu atade usika wo ba wa hu siesie a odi pia bontino mani ball so a bi di buo ma tin kwose sentade bia kwose se achi shu bia kwode nam obi party ase kwa ban ho wo ye wedding wo pursuit papa wo ye engagement outdooring special occasions wa hu die a wo de kwa adwuma ni ade no ehia pa aban exclusive ye was Santasi Runabout, your Ben Fidelity Bank, Santasi branch, wow, your Palace Mall, do you anymore? Your number is 020-811-6654, 020-811-6654, 020-811-6654. Fred, Neko, ebi apeso kutu, and Niama Crown so called boutique, Sansa, yeah, the Niama free UK, every Italy, every Turkey, every Dubai, but beer quality, and what they are buying exclusive for her. Miso drink, Mr. Wedding engagement party adoring no dear. We am miso. Yes, also 5G. Miso no, your mixed fruit to order more a pikama. Na mango no so sa unya bina say what the suma ho ho e nika edimupa 5G ginseng guarana grapefruit grapes and green tea e wo mu a wa udi adanse say e bo adwuma e wo nipadua ni mu na manager Daniel 21st clinic ubenya ne doso poatu ho upebi atonso a ehwan overseas the kind supermarket sister say wa wonu so etombi e wo ho saa so ena about post office on sister say wa na mama Esther Adomni Asumje Junction Ultra Baptist University Boakye ye wo hall no PNC Ventures so ewo Charity Hospital Junction any ni mu pe no manyi na Sachi Enterprise asafo abinchi opposite VIP car park 0246 270221 0246 270221 and 0558 106348 0558 106348 Otiasika Rabank yo Open bank one was swat just only the Juma when Yama Koyema where you Tuasikai. A current account, savings account, fixed deposit, and a Susu account. No more Mutusuna, no mere to see the Bosnia account bohome and send your auto near the amount you hoto Otiasikai air shall say, Obake Tuano. Manisia said your savings now your infant and minor savings account a granda chintio sounds also any micro groups are yet mamu loan and no collateral no guarantor a fee you two and among Western Union East-Switch Momo Ghana Pay MTN Nini Nada Obo Tiasika ya ye dijuma son Kofiasi headquarters Mampo de Jurassic Peboko Mabofo Macro ye new historic Adventist Hospital de anymore and King Castle Swami Market Dr. Mensa Lancer Chemist Dynamo for 0504 842957 0504 842957 3A Herbal Center ye Coco Master Coco Pa ya the bonnie Manchini one mintias just a doctor for the chemi. So Coco can ho that time na yamati. No sisu ya. It is a bus be also kwako ya hu ya. Wa won't mean trust Adea no so ye. Ko sisi ya. And a Coco so abetu out. Na sa Adea no so pese pie so a. E wo se chief Adea ho asa na ba. Wo yam so na timi. Wala beto samia. Eno nti na we here 3A
yeah, the permanent say.
That's right.
On my own, they find industrial sewing machines.
Very
good. In the Oman, in no make conformer, ubi bia or say or a fashion designer or say or permanent. Oman, where a lawyer tradition. Ya pomu. say the city onipa ko nya daje edwidwi no from
one industrial machine na o finishing your machine
no ma de wo me say wo industrial sewing machine
na ya born so am brand here no
o ma de wo me say
o siesie o we baba na prepare so
of course na so na prepare that situation this way and
justify industrial machine was
o ma baby o be industrial sewing machine e papa na ne boofo no Kennedy
digital satellite.
Mama, me telephone numbers no. The baby biara obi o say o penye me friend home appliance. On my last week me ba me kan sase mo eneso me say subiem. Me say home appliances are part of your dada sitting. Njo wa na me na master. Me nam sent answer baby na me corner me nipa bi share me a. O say Kennedy na me say home appliance. O say be ma at the end they say they kan dada sitting ho tie yi free man ye dey. Enye. O man sent na Kennedy digital satellite say home appliance there. O pede papa ne boofo. Yo ma obe yisu ata. O ma on say economy no be 5 months ago no economy na no bibibi ase nye me koso. Home Kennedy digital satellite ya beti ni pass sitting in such a way say you hu say economy ni kwa ya nipa na ekọ because economy na ekọ nipa na te economy nim. Nti ekọ na nim no na Kennedy nim na ekọ eba Kennedy mu neba senti na say home appliances there baby obenya papa na ne de boofo no Kennedy digital satellite on my telephone number say didi dwani also per television ye papa also per fridge also per air condition also per microwave also per kettle also per iron also per blender also per industrial sewing machine on my Kennedy say adwuma ba o on my dada sitina ye boy na ye koi on my say wonya adwuma wontimi ntrase on my numbers ni numbers na ye 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 Oma Kennedy si baby awo bia o pe TV ye papa ne boofo o pe fridge ye papa ne boofo o pe air conditioner papa ne boofo o pe kettle o pe iron o pe blender oma o se woni adwuma ye nemom o pe fufu pounding machine bi dia ye adwuma o pe Kennedy meko machine bi dia ye adwuma o pe Kennedy aburo machine bi dia ye adwuma oma baby awo no so ntimi ma number o be free ni 0244 385 128 Oma no what brand name Nasco brand name
Nasco
Oma oh say Omeka Nasco do say am Nasco Oma do Nasco fi oh Oma say open Nasco television ye papa na ne boofo Kennedy ya say ho Oma na say oh de bia betra ha me say Kennedy de ntia de bia betra na na sem na don say Oma de bia through talent to the people you say bra Kennedy go ta sell share e wo adum family plaza building oba de ntia oba ye ne say oba beto de na mum me say me na betra ha me kasa ma Kennedy me say ni man na oba beto and turn at the spot. We look at the prices of the items. We say 32 in ASA, we say 40 inches ASA, we say 43 inches ASA, we say 15 inches ASA, we say deep freezer ASA, we say fridge with ASA, we say air conditioning ASA, we say kettle iron blenders, we say sanema we nyane boy ASA. Oma uwie jane man hoko. Jahoko, Kennedy ashe honoko. Ko baby fofo ne ko busa prizes. We are for compare mine. Me challenge you so about Kennedy ashe because Kennedy we have the best price in the market. Say open Nasco television on my open Nasco 43 inches. On my open Nasco 40 inches. On my open Nasco 32 inches. On my open Nasco deep freezers a whole they did so the other by juma on my say so ton so bolo abele ton on my coast store ye aye juma kese organa. On my do na metie. There is one girl or university man omuma kwanya obeton so saa mi ho girl bi an ma toni so o ma me ne girl ne tell say busa say na so yo ton ni fridge sin e no so me kwampo me ni fridge o obi fridge na me ko am say dabi say de bia oba kama say o ton so ne de bi bra Kennedy so sika say na wo o ma odi sika ne tell na me say di fridge o sika na me so o ma o to di fridge kama o de ko si baby say on ko bi hom ko yi so ne meton on one fridge obeton no Kennedy because no ka say price ni board you obe us many are somebody me compromise me atom so bet me atom na bro so enko bi fridge mu ko yi so bi to fridge me fa ko si baby oba na me send boofo Kennedy so enti o ma brand no saturn Nasco deep freezer say 4 o ma pete 2 inches o ma ne boofo say o pe 40 inches o ma ne boofo o pe 43 inches o ma ne boofo o ma o pe 15 inches o ma the digital SLI brand new o ma ni na Nasco brand no ne boy say fofo o ma na me the price to dwa say na me kan am for him hihye omo no o ma Kennedy yesi ye didwa nipa ne didwa na emo mo pese ohun ya nema no ebo asa na oba so horma. This is the price of 32 inches television o ma 32 inches brand new digital size live e se na dakem on my 849 Ghana cedi. Lawyer, you must know. Was in the TV 32 a channel that came a brand new and they 849. On my lawyer machine, hair was saying, Lawyer Brassy, what? Open fridge, papa, open air condition. On my what's fear, also pay ceiling fans, open kettles, open irons, open blenders. Niema way and Niema, lawyer, you see, me say a kay and da sitting at home. And we cannot lawyer now, sorry, who is always my plans. Now, I thought they should ought to another 2 my air condition, a boy, a hussy, air condition, a home appliance, or my nest, one of beverage, you want me to be a crabia, a fridge, muno, so or kettle, iron blenders. We yet mean him free a dada sitting. And to Kennedy super be at it should be accessible. What's a be a toss so simple. And it was a sick, I could be a crow piano, which me did, which me to be, because I can't. I say, Atadia, you appear to me, I say, we never man the ball for power, and so near Atadi. No boy say for because we didn't pure brown so shattered. We call race so 2 cedi 1 cedi when after into home appliances so kind one. And what's any boy for Saintina Kennedy digital seller Yabama Ghana mine a santimani as many say home appliances there. They are no boy for na a papa baby Benatono a Kennedy digital seller. Or mobile Kennedy be on my word. Your family plaza build on my first floor. We see be a form was say near many be near Kennedy near many be near and you make sure say you are at our premises. Yeah, Ube who say your signboard name, your telephone number, near Debia Autobia make sure say what you receipt now the Sompa watching a Kennedy digital seller. Oh my dear Bagano. Ubia or say o near Juma Nemo Sika crap make a form and say Ghana my we as many as Santa Maya fear for the Niago. And the Kennedy the fufu pounding machine ba ye de meko machine ba ye de bro machine ba o ma we nyina e adwuma e de ba se unya fu pounding machine de sibe bi na de adwuma e sika bebrebe o wo no aju sika o wo no aju sika etu nya fu pounding machine ba ko wonya meko machine ba ko wonya bro machine ba ko we ye 3 items am see in a day e bi am more than 500 Ghana cedi na dey we ma 500 1005 o ma na ku fodo ye ma ken say now the football machine here na say unya 500 in a day o my next obetimi abobra bia o my numbers in 0244 385 128 o my name Nasco brand in say na ye adwuma obi open Nasco TV say to okoton e say name no ban ye say adonko adoma daso donko bra Kennedy Decentralization hono open Nasco fridge open Nasco deep freezer open Nasco air condition 1.5 horsepower 2.0 open Nasco fridge dey did so enketingiti no me de ba hade de timi to kemi me wi next week me ba tell you ba ko say on fan to ni kem ba bi okobia no on fa ne mamum na say on fan tu kwan o ma ni nyina bi ho ma brand no e ye Nasco o ma na se ne de tu dwane aso so enti ase so Nasco brand bia TV fridge air condition so about ma o my Kennedy ya e bon F4 odi o beduru a ento her price ni keke ne sa ko na ba sa ba beto ma numbers no e ye 0244 385 128 Oba promotion cost we do maybe cost one client in kan fo nyina yesrew mo fu mo ntia wager old barrier kokro bi te junction on the main castle wood ye na afi anwan kwanta oboase ba nyina no Kennedy branch ne bi oboase e bi patase he ya tu fi oboase ne ba e ha ho madum wo si patase ye si e wo Adom house Kennedy junction ye be police depo no edum so ye wo adum fifi it make sure say edum family plaza building o ma me o mteni ye edum family plaza building no frobra first floor to Kennedy ya de bia opebi efe home appliance no ma benya biato o ma abanjuma for den ate den ne we abanjuma ni afro pesle bra o sende o sika ni nyanso ya fani nyina bra ye ne mani nya beba na de koni atete kakra o ma number ni 0244 385 128 o ma se home appliance wa djuma ti ma company be na kwakoto ade Kennedy digital
oh yeah papa danger propose as what the bomb kutia
want ma kwasi wa ede na yakutia
eze du bia ka onum sa to bo asasa
na wakato se de ni ade na no be dru ma bi da hia da ne ba taxi driver bi na am say Jack enti ya utimi nya sales say me ka jan say o do betima bombo 200 unim tia o tia mu hey my 200 Ghana me why na
was it 2 million
was it 2 million me why na Monday to Saturday no sika ba ne sem na bro 1000 ti e catch us any mama yare ana okope bosia ti bantu makwasi Boakye me panyum ne ba
o ma me chali bia
boga wochi ano wesewara enti e wo hia onipa o ti wiase a bobra ko anim but plan enu ntina me hu mpanimfo bi a se no masi ase se o mabro abo utim hu pani bi na ni afi Now, I said, oh, why a mobile mount? What me who be so? If you only in answer net now, a Juma Bakumo, about to turn in the MA. Oh my God, I will have your chief Kushias in your money and to Tuni. To Tuni Yankee, you will be there. That is why it all boils up to one thing: leadership. Who qualifies to lead Ghana today? Come on, everybody. Mame enkwa homano so na me wo Doris Akye Abia na no mame ma Dr. Dimpa Kwaba. Doctor important to say.
Na ho ye pa me nia.
Doctor so say me o life no ye jeje mo.
Say me ba ha bia maka say me ba ha. Me hwed ni ma e ko so no asa.
Ata no aba go. I was so ko hopa. Madam for you say the ya go for here no pass no ma studio na am say ai. Because Omanhene studio no ansiesie ho de akwa abon say watum. And I'm saying I don't know. Ye kwa homa no so Doris Akye to say. Doris ko Dimpa Natural Health. They are ulcer experts. No so wa dance here. Doris yente.
Yo no pay dey boko. Na me ye funo. Mintimi ya me wo hwe me yam no tutu me sa na ebabo me boa no. Enti na me TV ho. Ana me hu so mu ye advert se Dimpa. Ana me ye se me ko. Ye fa so me dia ko hospital ma to no sa. Enti ye na se na pa tra ko so. Enti Thursday na me ko ne die. Next me tna kwa mo ban pransa ansa na mi duro ha ofra mi a me ko na o ye no so osa na ha wa baby ko ho beto o ka na me nyini me say so ko baby a ho beto ni e nti ma ba me hwa he ta na me ta ni tiri enti me ko ya o ma me nuro no o church me say the me sinum no me this one me no me did that 3 days no na ho sense san ye eba enti di week na e do ni san ya me sa for ye no me sa to atone say after di 3 days no say me nti ya okura bi me say dem say e ko enti me catch na say dem ko ye nto aso na me ko be 1 month ni die menti bibie bi ewo me yefunu enti so mu ka enye senye ni nyina na enye no kure ebi ye no kure pa ebi ye no kure
enti wo de Dimpa wa je adi
me de ma je adi pa ma je
wo na onim de ekoso o widie mu nti se na nsesan aba wo na onim
se menti fe
utimi dakama utimi di kama
Enkisa.
Doris utimi dakama.
O me da papa. Me da.
Ko sa no e ba sa no a. Wa ware ho.
E ba try.
So ba sa akra anwumre akra utimi nyi match ye o.
Wa jiru kura ni so.
Na se si e.
O se se de ni e free.
Yay, Doris yo. All right, Doctor, any come on.
You know, many are by it was the first day I back no. Or you'll be out to me drive, but when to me and drive one because now adding.
They're fun with you.
Yes, no bar. And many people who say no will be like a cannon some keke. But say your stomach or some any related challenges there. Dimpa Natural Health Clinic. I woke Kumasi. Di channel so na yebema one make yebema ki sure say ensesaya wo pe wo nipadua mu no e na obenya nipa no bebre na ona adwe o se eye honhom bi na ana obi na de wa fa be
bu okwa o si aboni dua
yes nipa no bebre because o check ya wo hu de e koso nti no se e ba se wa ya na wo hu a hwehwe Dimpa kira kwan
mameni Amidu o won kan enjo twen komo Amidu
yes sir
na to say Amidu uba Dimpa na dia na esie yente o.
Oh, doc. Na me sira wate. Me ba na me so me ho na mintimi nda me dia na me boso mintimi nya me bete but na me ado me ba ho ne say that metimi di me bibia me to be all right to say that bibia ko ye all right na me shira pa me ba na me tin na papa me say that bibia to be ko ye all right
aw ti say see how there bibia de din a wa ditum say o ho atọ
alhamdulillah me nga point pa me ba na me chen me bitimi pa me ko me bi twa me ko say me je na dan bo say me botu me fun me say but me ba o mo do there the younger person the bad min take but can be a prepare
right amidu yati why doc
yeah I did not say symptoms na me dey so na fe ya tire track
oh
stomach ulcer so obi e wo ho na say udidi a unya stomach ulcer entire pie but na ehihye wo ho na emo obi a woni di ye na stomach ulcer no ba epie eno gini ba be bradwe ye on se obi ni di anonya ulcer but the mpa for ya mani party ase every say sha ase ba Sompa ha mani party ase se enye obi a oni die no nya stomach ulcer eni say oba na de afidie hwe on ye ka se ye hu stomach ulcer ho asam oni padua mu a enka se medidi ye ensa se menya ulcer enya sa na tie a primitive idea na ye ma me no wo enne no afidie na be kire fi se ye wo H pylori no na ye bacteria di ulcer eba enu bi ba o ye mu a ena ma ulcer eba enu nti na ye se nkwara nketo nyina anya ulcer ne bi every say ye bacteria enya ko akwara ne ye mu a ebetumi afa atre so ntasuo mu akwa akwara yem enya ko pe with time in 3 years 4 years 5 years 10 years last week we nkwara be 6 a stomach ulcer ntina o ho kire won eno nti se wo yam na ya wo ya anase tutu obu o wa wante hwe won yam but ne bo na ye ne ya obi dia ya ne minimu obi dia o se wa bibia ne sare wa mini bibi na akwhye ne kon ho bibia sa ni ho epigastric pain na ebasro ne ba o minimu ana aye o te se de wa mini bibi na akasa ehia wo obi dia si na chi den ana ebinim so de no so when you poor blood circulation because also affect akoma na ama intimi mfa moja nkotre nimu ye onsa tititi na uti eya wo ya bonza okwachi nso ya wo ya na ano na ma anisubiri ba ana ore be fifi ade ana untumi na ye oda na wani 2 o'clock kra no a just about 5 anzana na no ansa aba na obi owo so ane de ye wodidi ana ejejina ne bo obi de ne bo hyehye no na ni nyina ye nioma a kire se ebia na stomach ulcer sio na unim se why ye test ahodo na obi ahunu ade kra jai ni nyina gu ho na bra dimpa natural health ya sweye ye refidie be hwew na ye hu de ekoso na ye de ofa enoma ye detox massage ene che massage ni mu a ebe ma emoja aflow yi afa ni peduanu asomdue bebam ye okumase di chamso from airport runabout over 5 menshia kwan no so na wabusa old health insurance building and our last towers ye wo ni faso ye numbers are dey adwuma no 0245 11 84 34 0245 11 84 34 0246 744 0246 744 Dimpa Natural Health Clinic stomach ulcer
last stop yeda say Dr. Dimpa Mamima Honorable Collins Adomako Mensa, Member of Parliament for Fijakwabre North. Ono also a member of the Select Committee Parliament Finance. Honor na sikani nyina wo. Yesi ho ha umudu pa. Lawyer Amodate. Lawyer Kudina. Ojidi say Kennedy akompreko ono eno ofata se bread ti sei otimi tu anamon ema MPP Honorable Collins Admako Mensa se dabi enei pa de Omo aka nyina afata. Nanso ofi say the vice president is the real deal. Nana prime president bi. Ala akọ ba akumienu miensa akọ 9. And this one didn't know my gun and it didn't we man a coin. Baba Udu, so share. Ghana ye kuya ye sem nyina dimu na kuya na kura ya bepim nei. E ti say opo bi obey panin wa 2 franca ma Ghana. Enya Greek minister. We dia utimi de planting for food and jobs say successful. Eya free akoto. Enu ntidi asem naka. Na san ye be di san komo no. And MPP for etnasi. Now I'm deciding on a thing. What is the thing? It's a super delegates conference, you know. Yeah, tono biabako. And now they dada no. Yeah, canning in boom. No, I'm that aquaba.
Yaminia.
Nah, me did this all here.
Me hoye pa.
Honorable Collins Aquaba.
Thank you.
Baby Aboko. Baba Udu. Now I want to say, Baby Aboko. Ella, Ejene Sododo. Nana prepare pom to say. Bibi Aboko. Atamfo na ede. Ebre. Hi. Lo ayi.
Oh, of course, the post on your temple. I was so bad to no water for
Yes. Only this.
The Bible no crisis go nipa atamfo be free the fee. Eji atamfo. Na woni sada. All right. Let me find my member. My say, dear Namujine, Mufi say, and Twaba no Faco, and I say, and spreading.
Yo, Edikan, Mammy Fassa, Aquania so, and cheer what here for anyone her phone now. Now, for instance, and that on Yamiase, say, Nanso Suamia and Qua, Nayatimi about studio, say, any Ghana for a better train combo, but cheer Krura, Asantimura. Yenua manum delegates obamu jom ya menum nyina ya tia omo na yenka se ado nyam kese a ado ni kabia enka onyankopon efise de waye no eso ye campo de ye ni ajib fise de ekoso no eye niam bia ye nim se National Council any neck. So omu go by the constitution of MPP. The asumdue any enkoso ebeba party anymore. Now, se uko constitution of the MPP mo me no yada me believe say bibia ye o wiase bia no. I was say ma emra eda ho na emra de hini wo mu. Enti na friend the rule of law.
That's right.
Nobody is above the law. And I yet MPP so no. Ye de mra enetie. And the party no ye creature of law. Ye de mra enetie. And MPP so when the constitution. Ya ye nim se constitution bia so ye sui generis. Just a de no ho. What you say any kwan say ye tie so. Na se wo kwa constitution ni mu a. Article 13 make the reason why ye wadwin bi say e wo say ye to no ha anase ni kwa say ye to no ha no ye de ye gina mra so e na ye dey make your decisions.
Okay.
So we call Article 13, 9 and 10 of the MPP Constitution. A case e wa ha metimi ready ba ma menka ni twe. A case se nipa no pese omokoto aba ye to aba wo mo so no be presidential candidate and say o ha was election of the presidential candidate Article 13 se nipa no pese omokoto franka no se omo buru edua anase se bi omo buru 5 omo buru 5 what you say omo buru 5 e wo se ye to wo mo so aba na ye pruni na ye teso ema ne be duru enum ne yeto omo so aba enti ukwa constitution na akire time e wo se ye trigger sa ade we wo se ebru numu a enti constitution is very specific time wo se yes ade
okay
and ade no so wo se ye the constitution atodin wo se ye fe no special electoral college. One kase super delegate so or say special electoral what to ni dini The constitution is very specific. Constitution or casa law very specific. Or bodini or mutrimupo into west no the spirit behind the word.
Special electoral college.
Special electoral wa tuni dini.
Okay.
Or tuni dini we no and the constitution as I can say. And Crawford was a almost to abandon friend the composition of one more to abandon so no. Wa listed in ni nyina constitution mo bi obefa bia behu wabowedi emedi wa che group way and it was almost to aba it was special electoral college you know waboni di wa kire nkrofo was almost to owie no osan ye very specific se mo koto aba na yanto no kukuam special ballot I mean secret ballot mon tunu kuku nyese bia wo koto aba no pagya say eh metoma Mr. Ko ana metoma Mr. A no untimi nyesa constitution na kire owie no ka say mo koto aba wo special electoral college so no obi ato aba ba kope very specific so on the media dey con very specific nanso Adea constitution no anka ya your friend constitutional silence. It's a doctrine of constitutional silence. Ni say, wancheye babia.
Has it not created a lacuna?
It's a lacuna, and I'm going to explain it. What you say? Constitution, MPP constitution, but omotrimu abobeo. Omunimia omoye. Adea pese be no time amobetimi yes idea way, and they say and a free 2007 time our president Kofo His Excellency Ofia nipa 17 ne hu say no say dia ye ne fa kwa bi so a ye be pruni ade no and omo yes amendment no na yes ade we omo ye ne ya to akora ni din akora no yes wo de special electoral college mu ba be pesticide no so ya list obia ho ekwan am mfa so nto no special monye ne secret ballot
then no man say me ba na onim say omuye ni nyina awie ye no ana omusade etrimu po okoten ho a etrimu po anti omde yes adwene say is to short list ade etrimu po no we say me can pruning say yen tini pado so emrenum. And in 2014, and at the first time, to Sabano, 2014. And no more tone away.
You know, you're to region. Omo decentralization.
Okay.
Asante memo omo to omo die omo qualify some better to omo die bono for to omo die say regional on regional basis
10 regions in Nato.
You're to abano. And idea a 16 regions. Now at that time, regional neck at the buy and say, now you opposition. Now you need enough resources. Until you move to hoka crack managing this near Famra. Now this year, I basse any part of Bro 5. And ya trigger what I say a kickstart electoral special electoral college, you know. Abofrado wa unity. And he was here farmer across near here. Now in 2014, near opposition, the question is, your opposition are
you are in power.
Very good.
You are in power. Huh?
Power. And your resource doesn't any resource.
But do you think you have the resource?
We do have the resource. Now, yes, your conditions as at that time. Yeah, you trigger as I did. You have conditions as at that time. You have conditions and say empo one more composition, one more you see about 1 month to be MPs, honorable ministers, card bearing members, one more. A bit to be coordinated platform so at the mic. Ekotiano compelling them which is against our constitution. You have freedom of conscience and freedom of expression. Now put you be on the spot. Confess. And look in law. Confession is all your confessional. Confess it under duress. article section 120
duress or undue influence
on confession 120 of Evidence Act. You cannot compel anyone to confess. The no confession no could be either you coerce, undue influence
or duress.
Yes. Any panina opasi eto abaroma no or the platform to be. Now the mic I could show obi anim ko boost the question. And this type of behavior is against the spirit of the constitutional MPP constitutional. Okay, say with the faith of God. Where preamble with the faith. And I say Biblia can be now refer to the law. You know why we are saying things with the faith in God. Now about oka no asabeka freedom of conscience. You can say freedom of conscience. Ja obi amani you should have men kata obi. Why are you bringing a mic before me? Putting me on the spot. Okay. My life is at stake. So now, so
the issue is the conditions prevailing today.
It's not the same as the conditions at that
the
time.
way a manner certain key personalities in various regions.
Yes.
Do you think, sir, there will not be fairness or what?
That's where I'm going. There will not be fairness. There will not be equity. There will not be freeness. Intimidation. You fear. And the sanity there. Adentina yen your point in say mumma yen shia o baby.
Any obi any.
Obi asho na fe na make up agent. Uncle Ashanti region. After and to say what is already is muddy. The red strategy is the red ocean strategy. It's muddy. The competition is tough. And let's move into a blue ocean. Whereby obia nipa teni nyina obetina hobi woni kete aniwa esim Kofi Mensa kwaba with one ballot and you say bia ba ye MP4 die way 4 die no with one ballot eduru so a wakoto secret wakoto number bi ye a ya kan manituamu. Oh, it's all about peace. It's all about unity. If we are preaching, say a Penkoso party didn't come home after the election, all of us will converge. You support you who not the be year about you so be can from the beginning. From the beginning, I was a fair, I was a transparent.
A quick one now. Polling agents. Niadi. Muyi 5 no a. Monto no one place, mubeto no national.
And only part of those.
You will need polling agents in various constituencies.
You see, the competition is so tight.
A test run for you?
Nope. The constitution is so tight. Say, who's a sabre? Obia person enter into the 5.
Okay.
Obia person enter into the 5. It's
vigorous.
It's vigorous. I'm on for 350,000 to submit their forms. And to be you be a free more. Master can not be any kwasa baby. There should not be intimidation. Say party no etimi organize 6,500 voters. I'm almost through all over the country. I'm almost now converge.
Our greater.
I'm here to Aba. I'm here kind the same day. No transmission, man. I'm here kind the same day. Ebubo. I'm obia John Bodu etimi soroko boko ejituma because of hobby na yeto aba no ohuni si ye. Enti dia kind say
90 and over no yeketwa.
Oh, it was 91. Now listen to this carefully. Oh, who say you nyina say yen ken ye side ni say mama yen nyina yen hiem. Kan Japan meti hobby. Alan Martin meti hobby. Dr. Maud Bawumia, His Excellency Otihobi. Adenimu Otihobi. Organize idea no ya afuya kuto nipa ni nyina ate ho ya to aba na wie aya busia ba ko ya to aba na wie ya kan se me na medi ntwa ma sorry be ko afi let us yenya yi na menua ya na man focus it is our tradition tambe na be tradition unim why encounter A level why statistics you cannot use one data point. 2014 is one data point to extrapolate,
okay,
or predict. So, and if you have tried decentralization, dear, try.
centralization also.
Ni yenya 2 points that are going into the future no. You bet me say we no.
So you can compare and contrast. Thank you very much.
It has never been our tradition.
Maybe I will tell you, Mami call Nana Prempe ho Nana. Alan Campo Moses say.
My dad say, "Ira, that change Alan Kojuche Martin. The enemy afraid titi. The head drew so. You can be as a time was on. One the time was on. I see a fancy ama sentiment in a
agenoso.
Ni shira sentiment so. Said the lawyer DV no. Alan Campo so you say GD say I won't be here as a better in our faculty.
Oh, okay.
Yenya so ne say lawyer kotu at me admin person me call me but wo hwe say bibia party ni jana in a way better you less costly for the party.
Okay.
Because wo hwe see kotu 16 regions I was say electoral commission
I didn't all
the 16 resources. I was say security employed to all the 16 regions. Share the things that were this contest. See, acquire one constituency by election cry. Yet me organize the police apparatus from all the nation. Shanazi Akwai, I say, you deploy people from Ashanti, from Greater Accra, from Northern, one constituency. Say, you acquire no all the regions. So it means I was a region be a deploy police. You behind venue. We are making a course. But say you're going baby for a electoral commission. I one team no labor. Nipa 800. You ever say one constituency?
Maybe 12 years.
And no crown hold the 132 ballot box. Nipa will hear mo pa broswano nipa 12 from electoral commission. But see, I see a 16 regions. Electoral commission will employ more than 200 people. Logically.
Yeah.
What I say? I know that in China, I was a party now, so I can have venues for all the 16 regions. Cost involved. I don't know China. You say, Nipa 10 agents. Obia resources biano, they see who you should. Ye re-election, no, be really biano. So 10 years was almost a coach cheaper resources at the Babua party. No, I had 2024. So go 4 years. No, up by employ agents, said the lawyer king. Or no, best happening, Tana, say secret, so more mobile monitor to the various areas. But say one center, some crofo acquire employ more, obey a dream more mobile than I bear Falcon. Yes, say. Ye transport to Nipa nyina from baby akoba ifa kono e costly because ye ni ya to abapen CSC ye pa abai the center of Ghana sunyai be ba to me boa ye go to aba no sunyai obi o free sire ba obi free sire ba be dru obeto aba na wi akọ obi o free vote ba obeto aba na wi akọ wona obi enu obeda because they pay 800 a chabro so 1-2 o'clock about 12. And Crawford said the rigs. Your base party paying for over 6,000. I could be for a quarter aba.
Anti-atin
Cabonibia. I had then a less than
891.
And you know the crap. Yeah, because of the rigs involved. Now, the mobino dear. Yes, I know pa. Baby, a lawyer study, you know. The inducement.
Inducement from where?
Now my thought to come on because been a lawyer can. Wow, mammy.
Well, mammy is better.
People's mother. Yen in the Tikrumwa. Not the bike I could jam Miano. What was the saying? Council of Elders. What was the saying? Why do you do this? But on my your party, you didn't pet me. Me, my co electioner, Council of State. Okay. Your friend, Omun is there. Presiding members, me no money a cover. The Akye show you because it's surprise. Your friend the panel because the pair to less than 90. You're from could go baby near the mic. As you pay pass one more casa. no aka masa abana mo koto no me se mo nto nkwa ha dia me kwa na boy ni anya bi o je mo tuma na je so mo de
almost
sinkete very good. But you're free.
But what makes you think that when you gather at one place there will not be inducement? Because we went to Accra.
Yes.
And then on the day, the national elections that you did at the Accra Sports Stadium, Sika the Enfrio.
Oh my.
People were even at the time to Abankra were campaigning. Powers that be were calling for shots here and there. Enti Musiemu Pakwa. The Ebesi origin, Ebesi. Why?
I'm sure dear.
Tell me.
You go Kufodia. Now region maybe on what a pais. And now one said Kufodia national election. Omo the region be about box CC baby. Near 2 ni no mbe hwe ni nyina bom. A pais for the almost go muti. A dey almost say ni se be hwe abom ni aka aboma. Ki ato anko be to ko cuz omo ba nyina no omo candidate ne 17 na omo be dru ye na ye fro omo no wo wa na regional minister be fro mu ye ka che bo bia wa ko to bia ye hwe di wo no ko so ball box si wo we di
osro to ko to wi e ka bo no sa laila you see but we di ye kwa Asante region Bravo region Northern region Obia to go and the same thing was say or don't come near person trap party no mind a better deep because that day Obia ka said to Obi Kro Obesialo and that asre
yes and I did hear kwato no we kwato we to ye dua omo 5 na frame no kra no wonim region kra tuti awo
and
5 na we no so wonim region kra to ma wo wow na wo kwato ye kwato region na obi beti Asante region wa nya bi mesu me tini mi ti pa Africa that asking the Abia be mu
me ye ne maso
anto am me timi ankra so ma anto am me ho enti ye giri se party na nkasa kra kabom eni ade ni nyina no ye kofa akokoto abana ye giri se beboa party
baba che honorable Adomako na we hear mama ko na fe mama mu nyina mo opportunity obia na obia ye ne campaign I know it is important. Mobile, we are a party there, and so okay, we have our candidate over there. Let's say, go on, Macron. How long am I tell
morning?
Major also.
I'm here with you for the wash phone. For this, the first time I'm here. A million penny for was still. Lawyer, they met you know, radio so. But an upper penny.
We old wado. Well, dear assembly man, how would you know?
This is the first time I meet you.
Yes, that's lovely.
Now, the submission from Minya Penny, I'm happy because you can see, say, in some more Kenya, no parts me and it's devoid of insults. So be a kind of seven. That I think is the beauty of our democracy.
That's right.
And the MPP, a party is for me, argument from last week. To be very frank with you, I don't know where this argument is coming from. See a better on a regional basis, see a better on a centralized.
If we say needless,
for me, I don't see where it's coming from. Me, I'm there are 2 candidates. Pena I frame it personally. I must say memoir in this campaign. The first person was Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. The second was Kennedy.
Sompa FM.
Kennedy frame. I committed myself to already. So Michelle Kennedy, me catch and say Kennedy, you have surprised me. Surprised in the sense, me say so personal contest now. I thought it was just one of the normal things. Yes, but I told him say he has surprised me in the sense say impact I was making. Within this short time, you know. So starting Temwa and go be happy. I told him personally, and he knows my stance about the constituency. Or become one Sompa FHM delegate. So it is a family affair. Timimi wahi, oka say centralized and not decentralized. I'll vote for Bawumia. Nothing will change. So I'm finding it very hard to understand. Say. People cannot be forced to vote a particular way. because ye nyina ko be fa. If you believe said Dr. Bawumia is the best candidate for ASA, I don't see how ye nyina ko share baby fa akwa you change your mind because we say Mr. Lanche Matento and I candidate want you somebody. Then you don't believe in Dr. Bawumia's
candidature.
Yeah, they don't believe it. And your constitution is very clear. Article 13:1. The election of the party's presidential candidate shall be held not later than 24 months from the dates of the national election. The date and venue for the election shall be decided by the National Council.
So it's not about
it's not about personal whether you want to centralize or decentralize. It's a decision of the National Council. It is in there. No more centralizer. Me candidate Bawumia only say. That is the decision of National Council.
Sompa FM.
That's the decision. But that is the constitution. It is a name National Council. National Council decide they say you better to centralize as we did in 2014. That is the constitution. So there's no argument about say where you under duress oko yetono regional into semi na me support Kennedy. Na me ba beto about region. Usichama unti me say me ntungo say nti mejai Kennedy makoto ama obi foforo. How? They don't believe in Ken's ideology. They don't believe in his candidature. And I said Dr. Koto Afremi. Me support Dr. Koto. Me kwa Koto aba. Maba regional. Me do me hu say Bawumia to Masamadri. They don't believe in your candidate. And to be very frank with you, this whole argument, I mean, you can say resources, we can do the calculation. Say yes, centralize it, and yet on original. Which one is more cost effective?
For you, which one?
Which one is more cost? Because maybe if you go my neighbor, and to cast about Swamia, my distance from Boamine to Swami is 10 cities. It is cost effective for me than to travel to Accra. Obia can make his argument
from a different angle. And it will make sense.
All I'm saying is that we have loyalty. Be a different candidate.
Apart from
Ken. That is what he believes in. Whether it is held
in to be.
I'm coming. I'm just making a point.
He's making a point.
So whether it is held central and as a regional basis, nothing will change. Your parliament. There are members of parliament who support Alan Chebate. And very good friends. OPK, Sly, and all those people.
Yeah, of course.
Mama Pat, who has openly declared her preference for Mr. Alan Chebate. Me akodu Kumasi take Yakotwaba. Who want to meet you what changing the vote. That for me cannot be. I don't see how change of venue but it may affect, and I say will be under duress to go and vote for a particular candidate. What I know is this special delegate congress, a special one, and that's a
special electoral
college or something. This say you are not being truthful to yourself. Bawumia is going to win. It's very clear to everybody.
Bawumia will win.
It is very clear.
Nobody can do on to more academic next.
Me not to own him. Lawyer
names Bawumia.
He knows that this special
will justify the means.
College here. Opa here to no central. Opa here to no regional
or constituency based.
Dr. Bawumia is going to win. In fact, personally, I'll be surprised if he gets anything less than 85%.
85%.
I'll be surprised.
Whoa.
Mr. That is my conviction. It's not make a say.
Deeper 10 no. Yeah, 5. You'll be surprised if you
get 94% to 96.
I said no, the national there.
Debbie.
For
yeah. 5 no. Yes. Because in this election, me, Dr. Bawumia, I know of about 100 MPs. Yeah, to be who have declared for Dr. Bawumia.
So let's say about already no 100 now.
And nothing can change. You say you call central ni who Alan Chebate na here. Madrid Messisa. Nothing will change. Regional executives don't vote for Bawumia. And yes, nothing will you. Opa Greater Accra Bawumia. it would the fear for me is that see a tune original, it will become very clear. Say leadership all over the regions are in support of Dr. Bawumia. I think that is where the fear is. To be very, very frank with you, media, where the election is held, no, it's neither here nor there. Because I don't see how Papa or Dr. Koto. Baba Udu. So you think say Baba Udu or Dr. Koto? I will tell me openly, tell me by radio, so be declare Dr. Koto. No, your delegate to Aba, our regional. Also, what was you to me to a
I to take a decision.
A petition, they have every right to petition.
Petition for what?
For Matisa petition, National Council.
The 8, no?
Yes, for a centralized system.
Yeah.
And they've done the right thing.
But if the National Council put it aside and take a decision, they don't have to also complain.
Because that is the Constitution.
The venue.
The Constitution says the venue and date, no, is determined by the National Council. It's not National Council date for the election. It's not National Council can say about 2 Aba on this date. That is the National Council decision.
All right, Mami ko Baba Udu hono mo na me tell me nim say mo 1 or 2. Baba, Mami ti ano pay.
I'll rebut.
But your ben mic na ben wa no kakra.
Okay.
Aha.
Yo, me da se na match IT4. Nyina nkanka wo for constituency for nyina. Na match ya be co panels ayi nyina yetia. In fact, anopa ma sua ade bebre free the co panelists no mo hono. Na so the yedi kan ye no. Me Dr. Kutu yesu ye blue say nke ekono one area ebeboa.
Okay.
Na nema bebre me nua Nana Prempe Adika Kebi, lawyer Adika Kebi. But now you can't cost and I say resources and now you need resources. I want to make me argument free.
Okay.
Because I wish Sika as contestants in the chia nipa ba ko Sika with chia no. Na a chain regional executive Sika mu do come nyina Sika bomu a chain nyina regional executive ya kwato amuso aba no sika omu tuatua chairman vice chairman secretary sika omu je okanipa ba ko presidential candidate tua ya say chain nyina but yenya sika ekọ one area ekwato aba no ama yenya ya executive sesi a omu teso a omu hwe enti no se ya ka se ebia sika ni new and resources new and ya fan to nchen ye betimi aye na sana medical card so mun nyina ma aka no na Sompa na aboka say ya fed say National Council for Decision and this ntina yeso ye ka no because National Council no so omo so betimi atie ye na ye wo form no
okay mo so ma
adwene na omo dia take omo decision and ntina ma ye na ye to I can because say na enim say omo decision ti aka kro omo ntia e bia nka ye ntana ha ye dey and cancer okay but enim say kana say omo ti na so omo hwe say asem no na ye kana to nsumu a betimi ya dey betimi ya influence omo decision so omo take na wa mama ya ko one area na ya ko to aba ya ko to aba no one area say na we kan no say ka say ballot box bia agents 6 in a general honoma na say ka say ko 16 regions here be 96 electoral offices na ye dey aye but say ko one area na say be see 2 yikra e be here be 12 electoral offices na ye dey aye saade no na binum so ka influence na dey the influence no kra dey ade dey nkane papa mu dia de bia me hye bia me ka say this time no MPP for no ehufo abam
ehufo
ai
omu ehu ne say say
so unye hu how can they intimidate you but you intimidate am for de bia you intimidate say na me nua
the MPP for madam na ehufo
bi no ya ehufo wom man ka say MPP for nyina but say ehufo wom say na waka upper east for there okay it happens that me region no they me call mo so 17 abre omo ka che me play say omo ka che na say wa bre na to man na 17 so abre ade tia na akofo obi say ye to aba na man to aba na 17 afi ye to aba wie ya na oba hwegu na oba frem dem say aba to aba na 17 o am so yeah obi say to no region you should say your control say na president nipa wi na o hwa ma development nti ye de akwa to ama no but ye hwe gum no ye ho say a mistake pa na say ka ye to ma 17.
Oh, okay.
Which that means intimidation by how do know. Na kofodua na me ne Ken ene Kabu ene jena ho no. Ye mi answer. Ena Ken ka say o say Ken so dey ope Adea do ope. So ye dey ba 17. I don't ka tell say alopa ya da president was straight pass or kwa grass or kara. Enti one kasa. Enti wa say alopa na ha no dey. O ko ka tell 17 dey so ya man o ya man. You know about the grounds or the respect to my president one person or make kasa ho it is all your intimidation you know because I think I make kasa be sra wa wura remove sra ra o ka say o sra no keke no
any cry modu ba so timi njo ma benya no ngofo
me ne kere ja wa say it about o person obi de ha and pass here me no yet tetra ha no jo o bu de no o ye de o ko ye intimidation all right but say intimidation no it be come bia say this standard say why area you bet you have say Kofodia na why area but na regional ministers ni na mu because then regional ministers say catch up say you lose o region you be you afrimo ni enim ti no mu na mu kiri to when you abre but I mean you dey say o mu na mu no so no say binum so to the o mo pe bi so anto because nipa na o mo so o mo nto man wa nya 100%.
And at the end of the day, Baba would do more share ni museka. Yento no biaba.
No fako.
All right.
Because sana ye nuanu mi na aka no. And I say ebia democracy is about majority. And if majority say yanko to no fako.
Sompa FM.
So omujitum. So omo national council or whatever no.
Omuntie majority no omuntie. Okay. Lawyer, let me say open bakumi. I want to do this because of time unti.
Yes.
Oniama kakra no wi a
na me the kind ato aso
delegates ni team.
Oh yes
Enti dem pese ye tiawa na obi atimi nya breka bibi kire because it will surprise you say be na no pay wasema obeka wa ha no ebesisi obi adwene.
Yes.
Enti mesrew ye ma floor no for Kennedy Akompreku Japan.
Okay.
Why should delegates even before one more koto abe including in the 5?
Yo bidasi bio minua bibi kakra da mpese metwen ya adwene si so tama honorable Kasano already a portion bi and o can say National Council for no
shall decide
the venue but one can't see the end of that provision.
What's it say?
Or the word vary
Kai mamiti.
What you say? The kind of was or see the date
starting. Because we want to have the full
article and fullness in here because in law you have to read the document as a whole.
Very good.
And I'm reading the document as a whole.
I mean too.
Article 13(1) or 2 election of the presidential candidate. 1. The election of the party's presidential candidate shall be held not later than 24 months from the date of the national election. Full stop. The date and venue for the election shall be decided by the National Council, provided, that is the proviso, provided, however, that the National Council may, on appropriate occasion, vary the date. And yet absolute. There's a variation. And to make a decision, National Council, they are not unto themselves. They are not unto themselves. They are there to make decisions. The stakeholders of the party. And yes, be able to take a decision because of their interest. The appropriate occasion is circumstances leading to that. They may vary, even though may is not compulsory, but that vary, the word vary, no, that is the akwanya. Se womu yaye ne kan omu wo hu akwanya. Ena amanfo no a ye koto omu ko gina nipa 10 no ebinum chunk ese se ye to no faako a ebeboa ye. Enti mumma ye nyina ye the petition aba. It's about Jojo. And your party must come to JB that quotation or the buy a dear say, I was here TTO freedom. And yes, free first development in freedom. Freedom just a Mumayana and listening government, listening party, listening national council. Say and conform to 350,000 Ghana cedis. A move more than 90% and now more than half. Essay and what around nine of them. Say yes, Remu, and the DMU and the petition. I am paibo. It's a prayer. And then go to say a beboyan, and nam dear cosunti no moment to no faco. Na yen nam for your nicotine and you want sim, send a menu a canyon, a dico hash in beba, a diasum dear beba. Because at the end of the day, we are not fighting with your home. We are going to face other parties.
Okay, now.
And until now. Ayina ye no e wo se ye pe okandinia sebe oti adwuma ye biebie ase obi a ohu resource a ohun se enete ohun nete a ohun se nete obi a ohun wura forest a ohun se forest but ohun business ohun empuntuo ohun se be biebie nwuma Kennedy Ohene Japan is a great leader. The reason why a great leader they say was setting pace. Impose of fact election here ye bekoyimwa. Me honorable to here also catch the Ken say one month but to buy no. And in the history, delegates Muntie in the history of MPP since 1992, yeah, presidential candidature election bia Emma nipa bibre biara. Obi opeso to franka bia enante ma monase enfana this year there en nani so ade hunu emeto mo anim da until second the bag ro no mu bag ro no mu no first no mo kwa ekohyiehie nipa group na keka so matchro mo ba Kennedy Ohene Japan enem so odi need ama the grassroots odi need ama delegates entino oni the deeper odi kind in this particular election. Ya onkoye kura over 200 constituencies in this country. Akko delegates nase edina ni so ade hunu. Eniema waya ma party no adutwam, eniema waya ede ache Ghana man adutwam. Ene eniema opeso oye ede boa mabunu. Because the future belongs to them. Adutwam. Enti de makene de oye sonko, oye ni pa sonko ne se. Aya na binum ne nam kase o Kennedy Japan ya money contract ya ye ni say why you say enye ono nko na Ghana ya money contract but onu pe na Ghana form ekoka o Lebanon otimi mobilizing $400,000 Ghana ekofa ye nuanom every Lebanon COVID time ahohia mu edon ba Ghana odi wo mo ba no wa musa wo party card wa musa wo regional wo free o or say Ghana for until the be also say Ghana first. You can find my by last week on Befia Ebedia dance here. Asante ne wa ye kasai. Confidential teaching hospital higher can gene. Oncology department. Na sankrofo nyina ho. Enipa omo titi omo kase obato ba wey. Ube say no mo nyina ho. Oncology department cancer kokro mu yade. Minu say o ye MP wo Ashanti region ha. Actually kwa brain off. Wo mu bi ma me phone bi anya cancer. E bi mu yare kokurabli de ka ho. Omo nyina ba Confederation Teaching Hospital. And so machine here the linear accelerator machine. So be the cancer, the management of cancer. And no ba how me so ye down be fam but 60% be fam. Machine broke down in this region. Na obia omo Confederation for nyaka na cancer for omo da form obia ho delegates muntie omo tuhu keke and a compare kutin one from them oba ha ebe share machine no me wo hobby and was signing a check of $145,000 at the renew oncology department omo contract no I was Swedish company and then machine no year juma yeah baba inspect machine in March all banso and financial pine buy na omo aha omo na mo a what to my way wo be to my way yeah ga to my way omo try say obia nka na numu asem platform so no they were there omo okumase na omo aso wo hen enti ka so be a leader no a listening leader na ekoso tokro bia mu wote yeah ba ye dem pa mako 100 the CEO now I mean Kennedy Okasa
Professor Adea Mensa
October no wachesi the Professor Adea Mensa was there. Dr. Osebo to the head of the oncology department ono ne receive scan and ne the linear machine yejuma mo pa mo ko na mo hwe ye di ye sa the best ebrel state of the art bed mo so this is a leader ya what think oye nipa somfo no what think enti ye call rounds any delegates ni kasa nyina no ye video show no mo de omani ahu kuma se ne ewoyi tama na dan kwaku for the wire there also sick massive market enti mame for no we can't build the market around them so ba ya after race course ko hwe ye yi omu nyina begu na so na ade sa na totoboton for na omu ji omu bag ye ji omu phone ye ye niema tia omu nintia wo se delegates amu kumasi market delegates amu santimemu ya dwira kompreko ho ne se ne hu so ne wo se to aba no man ne se o ye leader o dwire ye ho ne se ne esuma duru omu enso okosra wo omo light bulbs mako 200 pieces and wo twem ho anadwoa e ho aye hyen na wo mo wo hen ubeto ma hwan na omo wo hen enso ukosisi ya light egu ho hyerere mami fui we have videos omo shano wo dada se ene edura anadwoa ye maame num ene ye nuanom omo timi to ade ya busa ye kwan busa wo mo se wo party ben kan busa wo mo se wo kakasa ben kan busa wo mo se wo free hen nanso na so odoni mindy what the chair omo now oba party ni mo so a delegates who say party be here resources party be here infrastructure like a country now Oshe Kennedy 1992 by the contribution to the party I'm listing them 1996 one markers crowd markers pickouts 15 obisi yeboa omekamantie 1996 2000 markers pickups 50 obisi yeboa omekamantie 2004 President for time markers 100 obisi yeboa omekamantie 2008 markers at an constituencies 245 otua markers 245 yeah call rounds including Russian pickups Russian trucks 77 yeah call rounds we saw some oko a year Western North is see how bebrebe the contribution to the party aduchem yeah ordini bra 2014 almost 2014 year our party mo ana na ni abamu the year can and the discussion ebe determine the truthfulness ebe determine transparency ebe determine equity ebe determine say emra ne di hinin
emra ne tie na rap
yes tamale eko congress or tamale say dem ka kofo dia congress African ho say Johnson mo miento aba no regional now look at this Johnson yento no regional can see no emfa odomma can see no enka party ni mum and party ni ye die mu any odontu ni se chiemu a and the backbone of the party ni ejina Ken sponsored in 2014 Congress a see what Tamalino was sponsor yen it wa ye bia ma party no wa ye bia ma Ghana man 37 wa ye bi wo ho enuma wa bia adutwam oh high nipa cry in lifetime over 7,000 people and the Akache delegates ni say obi a on since yo man san wa ham obi a odi ose ye oyo obi a oye talk na or walk the talk obi a oye talk and I say and do is Kennedy or Hina Japan or what the foresight for the future and in some what can you know what you know when you be doing come you see how quiet they be my ba tun futro gumoni tun futro gumani normal na so sabi the can say obi be can asem kirewa o say pinpoint to me so also be my adwuma ya pinpoint to me also be factory afi na akodra na Ken wa draw you see wa produce a maintain wadua banche starch factory enti ye kakuani a ono na adua banche afuo 2,500 hectares live ewa mountain odua afuo no wanka say me de madua banche fa nkoye gari fa nkoka fufuo was 6 starch factory. Now starch factory so interestingly we are talking about Ghana beyond is say you person make Ghana the center of a year. Enti kind ohina Japan there mpanifo amutie me ne Ghana fo amutie baby awiase aduru no ye mabum no omu hia enwuma papa no na biebie enwuma ogusu ebiebie enwuma na o se adwuma nyon no kwa na bebie obi o ye business o Ghana bia no obebo anti say onipa 1,000 ye businessmen na Kennedy bo one the programs ba no obi at me high enipa 1,000 cry a year enipa 100,000 and every
Nana Brabe. Why Alan?
Yes, Alan, because Yanshan as I say contest ya yeko nyina no. After this contest, say a mass near ya Rebecca say we have a constant variable here after this election here facing.
Okay.
Which is John Dramani Mahama and the NDC. In fact, a constant variable. So now, then what do they call? I go face that constant variable because of the might become a choice. Alan, because we share formation of the party. Alan is a founding member of this party, MPP. Or can't be near the party. That time we share John Wallace Junior Jesus said you know it here culture of silence near there. Now in young for more kukudru on beach the mama party. Ono near brand here that time odi nipa no bi anim na se bikaka wo mu nsem Ira kwashi ganya me fana kran say could you ban ready nyame fana kran say
executive forum.
Yes, young executive forum. Omojichi musika led by Lankojo Chematin. A quarter first party office. I'm a party. Fast forward. See a cancer the mini can you man somewhere. Yet him say Alan is embodiment of trade and industry. Back in the days of Protect. Share businessmen do a work more through the initiative of Protect. Nyamia do we say bibi o munsem o moye adwuma kese o ma peja e ni insano adwuma ye can about sacrifice to the party my year in 2007 elections oni yewura adedan kwa kufuado baby kodru legon now hwe heat pa pressure ne wom se e kwa second runner no bi anim de niam betime ezisi no Alan sacrifice for new pain. Etinya wan say yewura adedan kwa kufuado o kasa nyankopon nam ni mu hye enkom say kojo die menu pain kofo e ka kire me say wo so di o man pain as me di o man pain no ene me so me ka bia che wo say yenkom se na say o man pain kofo kan ne ba mu a me so me hye san kom no wo so se me won so betwen me ni ho a won so be di machi nyankopon nam mu hye enkom won say anya ba kopo ekoya ni ma yesa course anti kofi na ye man pain na da kwa kufa was introducing the ministers and also come say sa kofi bi odo we bo wedin oduro last was say we are santin wa wo this year Dr. Adea Akye Abia o free president ache no a minister bi a wo bo adwuma papa meni wo obeba nkom se bi ma se pi yura wo hwe ye ba yenim no Alan Kojo Chematin free say John Jekum kofo aboa ama ema ko wo free yura dan kwa kufuado aboa ama ankra eko school free wo hwe a wo ready trainers wa tama ma wo free sa ankra na ba ko free SHS o
ane
wo hwe o musu say fortunate for me meba o ka free SHS on te so call level 400 o ken
west no ko so show mu ye
o call level 400 o ken west
free a che dodo
there be o ma wuti
o mutimi o mo da dodo
o ma wuti
Ambao, yeah, we free. We go school free. University free.
Yes.
It's like, I said, free and Colano freedom fighters.
Omanhene, they have some uniqueness in them. Maybe no. I've been 21 years. Or level 400.
Oh baby, it's another and
they say we are. Senior masters no be ya. Adea Akye say den adwuma. Adwuma no so ahwan de be ya adwuma no. The African Free Continental Trade. Aba. Yura kojo alanche Martin. So what try say abibi man nyina no ye be ka bom ni edidwa.
Enya good, enya a wider market.
Yes. Obi Ghana need to me ko ba bi ko it with me ko. Na wa ya ne sa akwa. Wo ye we nyina no. Wa say be Ghana ye be di so fast wonti no. Ye fa secretariat embassy Ghana. And after secretariat one crime. Oh my, the Trump mark back one and the Ghana koi me buy watali so I say papa your war Pankron the Pamao
Big James
and they both fashion designers Kasia Alan Kojo Chamatina Momojma Payapao with the introduction of African way
Friday
way was started with Friday way. So what you are consistently since all this had in the Bible on share apart from so be official program be obese suit the bia was share
so man penny class
I don't know maybe can this week on man penny so apart from so be official program obese suit the bia no so African way it's a Trump mark and now we share adwuma dia ba say omo the textile industries omo the fashion industries adwuma dia ba mo and obi a better lawyer dey sheni ye nyina almost do I why nyina yes ye nyina ye pamogana
yes me dey account
shares there or when is swadi hu a ye ko ye nim no masem ye dwade ni masem and e beboa and o ma dey ye pese kan ma ye di wie nyina ne say say me ka say o constant variable no ye hia obi a obe appealing to organize Alan Kojo Chematin say me ba Ashanti region say 2 million voter that MPP awi what your last election Ashanti region say MPP power even with 1.78 million votes 8 be cancel over 9 regions Kojo Chematin say me ba ena modo na lawyer case manager say yewra Ken akomo betua yes ye betua ka yes quarter kwaso be mount man obusan so obekya the latter part of Iraq of administration yeah the AB by friend or constituency venture I believe we say what's your constitution of Ghana any party no bet me enter into a business venture bia and the GD say constituency venture no whereby say so I'm constituency and ya wa you almost share juma be recruitive e wa hanom that time obekaya constituency bi wa no more bread factory ebi o bakery more ye pastries that's the belief say ye jiri say ye cripple the constituency ye resource omo they omo enter into business na service a constituency no o business ya ontimi tua
obetia adamako honorable
I don't know why
ani ebremai why Maxi any problem
yeah but the honorable be that Dr. Akutu minya pepra mama hu say na nado sa wa ye commissioni o sha kom sa Akutu de obi ani makutu say ye ka say party wa say obi a founding member obi abra party no ye ka say Akutu ye ka ade a wa ya ma MPP party a enka de ebeche ebi anka ye sor hande na emom no Adam Sembrenti no Dr. Akutu obi a o na ye immediate past agric minister
that's right
ewo nanado abaimu and ba agrica obi anim what ba 2017 sana over 30 planting for food and job the ya aduane e ba krom ha aya na binum say oh aduane kra ne board agric minister there o job ne say wo ma aduane aba see aduane na aba krom no there and then agric minister aduma when the ma aduane ba bu wi a na aka say omo aye so omo di aduane ne de Sompa FM ubia nim say Ghana ha no ay agriculture country tete ye sorry en kola brim no a champa kra be operation feed yourself na 70s say Ghana obi esikani wa Ghana ha no wa farmer enti no ye mbisa ho say ade enti na ne sa ade no afiri ho afi say ya divert free ya nkasa de say ye ma oman no konanim ene say odura dum na okọ ashtam no kwa dan esi onyina na ye farmers for dan
no correct
then and ne farming atofo Dr. Kuto say you to abana mano no be president ha obesan nyane agric ama agric asana be backbone of the economy say na yi na ye nim no because obey industrialization crowd so obey one factory one whatever obey use agric because agro
process area agro produce
na e ba be so oba be sa de ne dia and the na say you fa agriculture serious me baba de bia meka me say ya try economists ya try administrators ya try omo businessmen say ano adu say be try obi a we agriculturist na anam say Ghana ya agriculture country ni ntino na wadi ekọ obashana house because Ghana ha de bia meka so okọ na say unsan kwala atwa hye no mu di aban ate wana kom na de omo obi agidi mia wonkaya aban na emu so awu tam kwala ni apre no mo kasa no mu yedidi a wo da kwala
ko be crab wide
it wo da pa akoko to fufu mo mu di wi a obi le fi aban enti akoto enim say agric ene ebetima kuta oman me ka say food plant for food and job buy I read 2022 ye ko hanga 18 ewo Montreal ewo Canada nipa lo represent Ghana no or you should planting for food and job in odi any debate before say Kufuor Rollins to Kufuor up to say John Dramani Mama na hanga na 28 from Rollins ye bedru ye further say John Dramani and Mama na atiswaba 15 point something Dr. Kotobe Suomu or course say at about 13 point something %. That means unless all kind kura komwoma wuntimi fa Ghana yede enka ho. And so we share near ma kutodi agu kwam e wa agric sector. Say yen say nanka we yede oman ni hye ni sem na oka say wo toa so ade a ode atutu akwam no nka Ghana nka me ma obe 4-5 years no Ghana nke ehu ade e fe no kom e na ehu ade o free here because agric na nkasa timi create jobs. Okay. Agric na nkasa so tima oman ni sika. That's right. That is why I say Ghana a agriculture country. Enti me kasa ma delegate say o pese Ghana esesa na odidi men na o to na obanya adwuma ya na say otoma akotu efi say one ba obetimi di agric na ye to ya Ghana din say agriculture country no one be translating it into wealth and work and I said jobs. Okay.
Thank you, Baba. Mami Brahol.
Oh, yes. Ubo Baba Litina.
Mami Brahol, I will tell you.
Yes, just a few comments about the Eminia Bema Kanye about the Constitution. So, Mr. President, reading the bill.
You okay?
With your permission. See, the election of the party's presidential candidate shall be held not later than 24 months from the dates of the national elections. From the dates of the national election. This is very clear. The date and venue for the election shall be decided by the National Council.
Sompa FM.
The date has been decided.
It's left with the venue.
The venue is yet, the venue modalities, it's yet to be decided. You don't vary what has not already been decided.
Okay.
The point to make you say the National Council can also vary. Wait for the National Council meeting.
When it is done.
When it is done and you feel said but you are not comfortable, we can vary it. The date and venue.
You wait for it to be said before.
The modalities has not even been decided. As we sit here now.
You don't know where you are going.
Yeah, we are only based on precedent.
Conjecturing
because
and
precedent, 2014, Council decided say on a regional basis.
Okay.
Council is yet to meet today.
So they can even vary it.
But petition they are just praise and appeal.
Kamunye ni say my moa. Na
emom sra yesre ne say. Instead say beto centralize no. Anje beto no decentralized said year in 2014 no.
Mumi enya ne say.
Afu we dem decision afa ya mo ba be take no.
Mfa we to come.
So there's no issue of varying.
Okay.
Yenyan started issue of varying cry. And that is why I left that aspect of the I'm aware of the constitution. I'm very much aware. When I'm making appeal, say proud to the decision now be making no. Yes, Remu, can we only say ayepe? If they decide, see Antonio original, you can still make your case and say no. Appeal near the buyer feel say is still strong. National Council still has the power to change that. They still have the power to vary it. It may say lawyer only to say decision no barrier. Not so percent you vary. You can lose that. We
can talk about this over and over again.
No problem. But let me make this point. My name Dr. Omanhene Yaw. Neither have I spoken to the team officially on position.
Okay.
Me here and I may send a text to a few people. Post as someone catch him and say, Doc is not worried about baby a better no. By the National Council decision.
Okay.
It is a National Council next year. No more say you go to the centralizer. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Only problem.
Maybe doctor preference. They said their own preference. Say to the centralize. Maybe a doc pay decentralize. But National Council is here. No guys you go to the centralizer. He does not have.
That's why I'm called that. Me time and tea. Why Dr. Mahmoud?
See what is exciting? The moment you say. MPP, you are sport for choice. That is why MPP is always a better alternative to the NDC. Uti mini said Oka Kennedy Mwasem. Uti my brother said Oka Mwasem. It's so beautiful. That is the beauty of our democracy. And then the party will be a deno. Okay, Mambo be a day. He just focused on this. I think say let this be the way I am campaign. Bamina. Being a president goes beyond what happens. Being a president goes beyond say isubiato and I be into the annual be good for mangophobia. It goes beyond that. Character traits. So demonstrating a certain character. It goes beyond just Dr. Kwame Nkrumah when he factory. He didn't have a farm, but he built more factories in Ghana than any other president. Yes. Probably Akufo-Addo government they see more than that. So you don't need to be a businessman or an agriculturalist to rule a country. I said Nkrumah, you're naming as the African of the millennium. He didn't have a factory. He didn't employ anybody in his private capacity. But your man, 2 million be a president. No, he demonstrated a certain vision. So for me, semi leader, I look beyond Obi Wakoto Chippings. I look beyond a businessman who has made so much money, very legally, any problem. He has done so well for himself. But I'm saying, being a president, you need character traits.
Which is?
You need to demonstrate a certain level of vision, a certain soberness to lead, a certain calmness, a certain respect to lead. And that is why I said I'm for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
You see those traits?
I see those traits. Let me tell you. 1992 constitutional rule from 92 to 2023. It's 31 years. Mini Anomoka say he talked about from 92, Alan Martin, Oka 92. Beautiful. We thank them for that effort. Out of this 31 years, 15 years of them, the most marketed candidate in this our constitution, in this our party, is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. From 2008. None of the candidates, he's the only person among them who has been a vice presidential candidate twice and a vice president on 2 occasions. He's the only one. He's the only candidate who has that trait. He's the only one. The most marketed from 2008 to now. Obi Obekacho said, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, from 2012, you lose election to 2016. Yeah, 2016, the win in 2016. If Bawumia didn't contribute to that, hugely, even Nana himself, doing his inaugural speech, or say, I can tell you where I am. Baby, I'm there's one man who I never go without having political discussion with. That's Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That's Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Service. He takes his time. He has learned. He is the most prepared for this job. I'm telling you. So I'm telling you, sir, it goes beyond. I have a factory, beautiful. And I'm saying I commend Omanhene Yaw Japan. He's done so well. But when you become president, you don't run the country with your own money. Mm-hmm. That's not how it is done. President being what Mr. Botomsi can run. That is why you need somebody who can manage, who will be sober. Mahmoud Bawumia, Ope, of all the 10, Obe, who has been vilified. The thing that from 2008 to now is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Check whether he has responded in equal measure before. His level of temperament, his shock absorbance is unmatched. And that is why I'm for him. It is unmatched. He's able to contain all the insult, everything that has been said about him all these years. He's unmatched. And so when I hear, I can say he talked about after. He talked about industry. Is that an achievement of Mr. Alanche Martin or an achievement of government?
Government.
Is that an achievement of...
But he led it.
Okay. So he's part of an economic management team.
That's
who do you attribute that success to?
The leader.
Is it the head of the team or the sub-head who was assigned to that particular industry? Me perceive this principle too. So if Mr. Alanche Martin as a sub-head can be attributed on why we are fantastic, why are there? Nobody can take it away from him. When there's a problem in other sectors of the economy, don't blame the head, blame the sub-head.
Okay.
That's the point. So let's have that principle.
So it's a trade idea.
So let's have that principle.
Yes, it's trade idea. So financing go ya men fan kwese.
Why you blaming Bawumia?
That means the person is not a leader.
Oh,
no, because I can't wait. Because I can't wait. Because who the leader? That's ultimately taking control of your management team, and who shifted blames.
Nobody shifted blame. Did I shift blame?
No.
I didn't shift blame. Me say, let's have a certain level, a certain principle.
Says a trade idea.
You are not attributing it to the leader, the head of the team, who is in charge of everything.
Name of the minister.
But for the minister. But
that baby say there.
And the other, why do you attribute it to the leader, but not the
minister? Okay. I get your principle.
So if trade has done well, me and you say you have done well. Why are they? Let's all accept, say, collectively as a team, you have performed.
But baby, so
let's collectively accept, say, you have not performed. But it is unfair for you to attribute one side to one person and attribute the wrong side to the head. That's the point I'm making.
Thank you very much. And I wish you wish to want a rebuttal.
To summarize, no, me rebuttal.
My mini birthday, no.
No, 1 second, person do birthday. I say, he's a parliamentarian, and I believe in the law. The Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, I tell you who qualifies to be a president. Why? Who should did man? And absorb. Enim. Uncle Article 62.
Absorb.
Amount. You have to be a Ghanaian. Number one, you have to be a sound mind. Yes. Oh, sound mind. Or temperament. Wait. Mr. Minister, Mr. Honorable, let me just land because you are taking us on a different agenda.
I'm saying,
what does the Constitution?
Happy birthday to you. Please. Gifty boy, happy birthday to you. Faye. Efian Shra Nyame Chesikapa, happy birthday to you. Rita Chan, happy birthday to you. Madam Atta Benis Feni, happy birthday to you. Madam Rita Chan from Abigail, birthday to you. Clement Osefriye, and now I would that. Sanzo Sona Benis Feni, Trinity Asavi Maxwell Inti, happy birthday to you. Isaac Yautata Jr., happy birthday to you. And then, okay, yeah, then I'm here. Yeah, my money, I think, I would have passed. I'm ready. emre na so say obeto adwumade ni so aja me time aso wo da wo ye jawa